Czechia, officially known as the Czech Republic, is a landlocked country in Central Europe. Its capital city, Prague, is famous for its historic architecture and picturesque landscapes. Czechia has a rich cultural heritage, with contributions to classical music and literature. The country's cuisine features hearty dishes and renowned beer production. Despite being landlocked, Czechia offers stunning natural beauty with rolling hills, dense forests, and scenic rivers. It is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors with its vibrant cities, historical landmarks, and outdoor activities. Czechia's cultural significance, educational achievements, and diverse landscapes make it a captivating destination in Europe. Top 10 places in Czechia. 1. Prague. The capital city is a must-visit destination with its magnificent historic architecture, including Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, Old Town Square, and the astronomical clock. 2. Český Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This charming town is known for its well-preserved medieval buildings, castle, and meandering Vltava River. 3. Karlovy Vary, famous for its hot springs and spa culture, Karlovy Vary offers elegant architecture, healing mineral waters, and beautiful parks. 4. Brno, Czechia's second-largest city, Brno boasts a vibrant art scene, historic landmarks, and the stunning Pilberg Castle. 5. Plzeň, home to Pilsner beer, this city offers a rich brewing heritage, the Pilsner Urquell Brewery, and the impressive St. Bartholomew's Cathedral. 6. České Budějovice, known for the original Budweiser beer, the city features a picturesque main square and the beautiful Black Tower. 7. Kutná Hora, this historical town is famous for the Sedlec Arsuary, Bone Church, and the stunning St. Barbara's Cathedral. 8. Telč, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Telč is renowned for its well-preserved Renaissance architecture and the scenic Telč Castle. 9. Třebíč, another UNESCO site, Třebíč boasts the Jewish Quarter, St. Procopius Basilica, and the romantic Vysočina countryside. 10. Hluboká Castle, often compared to England's Windsor Castle, Hluboká Castle offers exquisite architecture and stunning parkland. These top 10 places in Czechia offer a mix of historical charm, cultural significance, and picturesque landscapes, making them must-see destinations for travelers visiting the country. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.